Hello and welcome. I'm Anya Greaney and I'm a writer and writing teacher. I grew up in the west of Ireland and then in my early 20s I emigrated here to the United States. Since then I've written and published many essays, feature articles, short stories, and I've published 5 books. As well as writing, I've worked in healthcare for over 20 years. So just like you, I've had lots of moves and job and life changes and all the ups, downs, sorrows and joys that come with them. However, amid all those challenges and changes on both sides of the Atlantic, there's been one constant source of support and solace, and that's writing in a journal. Of course, I'm not alone. Since the early 1980s, clinical psychologists and other health researchers have studied and published on the physical and mental health benefits of writing down our lives and our feelings. Or to use the clinical term, it's expressive writing. Also, since COVID-19, when over 37% of us have reported some mental health fallout from our worldwide pandemic, consumer publications and government health organisations have finally begun to tout the benefits of daily or frequent writing. For the past few years, I've been honoured to bring my in-person and virtual wellness writing workshops to various groups and settings. Some of these include employee development sessions, healthcare provider groups, libraries, hospital or community-based recovery groups, caregivers, writing organisations and others. Now, you don't have to be a writer to join us. And when it comes to expressive or wellness writing, it's never about being a good or a clever or a publishable writer. There are no grades here. Instead, it's about using writing in a way that helps us to observe, bear witness, and to manage our daily lives or our current life change or challenge. We can also write down our daily joys and our gratitude. The seminars are lively, heartfelt, we maintain appropriate boundaries, and maybe most important, they're great fun. So get in touch by phone or email. I'd love to chat with you about how we can develop and deliver a session that would work best for your group and your organisation. I look forward to hearing from you.